Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates. Please turn on the subtitles or the caption of this video. So let's start today's video. So guys, today we're gonna talk about the how tall is the Hailey Baldwin Bieber and comparing it with the other celebrities and reveal her true height. So let's start today's video. The Hailey Baldwin Bieber was born on November 22, 1996, is an American model, media personality and socialist. Baldwin trained as a ballet dancer, but her dancing career ended due to an injury. She has been featured in major ads for Guess, Ralph Lauren, and Tommy Hilfiger. Baldwin is daughter of Steph Baldwin and niece of Alice Baldwin. She is married to Canadian singer Justin Bieber and lives in Waterloo, Ontario, Canada. So guys, now we'll talk about the how tall is the Hailey Baldwin. The Hailey Baldwin height is the 1.73 meter, 5 feet 7.5 inches. So now we will compare it with the other celebrities and reveal her true height. The first picture on your screen, the Hailey Baldwin is walking with the Justin Bieber. The Justin Bieber height is said to be 5 feet 9 inches or 1.75 meter. And guys, here you can see in this picture, they are looking almost same in this picture. So guys, switch to the next picture. So guys, in the next picture, they both are walking, and in this picture, the Justin Bieber is in front. And guys, here you can see in this picture, the Halle Berry is looking taller than the Justin Bieber. So I switch to the next picture on screen. So guys, in the next picture, the Halle Berry is standing with the Justin Bieber, and guys, they are very close to each other. In this picture, you guys can see that the Justin Bieber is looking half inch taller than the Halle Berry. So guys, switch to the next picture on your screen. In the next picture, they both are walking, and the Justin Bieber is looking in this picture 1 inch taller than the Halle Berry. So guys, here you can see that the Halle Berry is 7.5 or 5'8", and the Justin Bieber is 5 feet 8.5 in this picture. So guys, switch to the next picture on your screen. So guys, in the next picture, the Halle Berry is walking with the Kylie Jenner. The Kylie Jenner height is said to be 5 feet 6.5 inches. And guys, here you can see that they both are wearing heels. Here you can see that the in this picture, the Halle Berry looking half inches taller than the Kylie Jenner. Switch to the next picture on your screen. In the next picture, they both are wearing Kylie Jenner and the Halle Berry both are wearing the heels, high heels, and they both are wearing short dresses. And here you can see in this picture, they both are looking same as well as in this picture. So guys, switch to the next picture. So guys, in the next picture, the Halle Berry is standing with the Kim Kardashian and the Kendall Jenner. The Kendall Jenner is towering the both because she is the 5 foot 11, and with heels she is over 6 foot, and Kim Kardashian is looking tiny in front of both them. And in this picture, the the Halle Berry is looking 3 4 inches shorter than the Kendall Jenner, and 3 4 inches taller than the Kim Kardashian. So guys, switch to the next picture on your screen. So guys, in the next picture, the Halle Berry is with the Kendall Jenner, and they both are wearing mask and the high heels. And here you can say that the uh, Halle Berry is 3 to 4 inches shorter than the Kendall Jenner. So guys, switch to the next picture. So guys, in the next picture, the Kylie Berry is looking like 3 4 inches shorter than the Kendall Jenner. The Kendall Jenner in this picture is close to 6 foot, and the Halle Berry is looking like 5 feet 8. So guys, switch to the next picture on your screen. So guys, next picture on your screen, the Hailey Baldwin is standing with the Alaya Baldwin, her sister, and guys, Alaya height is said to be 5 feet 9. And here, guys, in this picture, the both are wearing heels, and the Hailey Baldwin is looking 1 inch shorter than the her sister. So guys, switch to the next picture. So guys, in the next picture, the both sisters are looking and standing with the fashion, and in this picture, they both are looking into the same head. So guys, switch to the next picture on the screen. So guys, switch to the next picture on screen. In the next picture, the Halle Berry is standing with the Gigi Hadid. The Gigi Hadid is said to be 5 feet 10.5 or 5 feet 10. And guys, here you can see that in this picture, she is Halle Berry is looking 2 inches shorter than the Gigi Hadid. Switch to the next picture. So guys, in the next picture, they both are walking. The Halle Berry and the Gigi Hadid. In this picture, the Gigi Hadid looking 1 or 1.5 inches taller than the Halle Berry. So guys, in the conclusion, we can say that the Halle Berry is the 5 feet 7.5 or 5 feet 8 inches tall in real life, and when she wears, she is 5'9" or 5'9.5". So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please hit thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for the latest updates. And guys, share the video with your family, friends, and the height and comment down below me for the more height videos, celebrity height videos. And guys, thanks for watching.